Welcome everybody to the Southside Boy Style website. Inside I have a lot of content, videos, pictures, testimonials from myself, links to everything that I'm affiliated with, whether it be from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. If you're inside YouTube, please like and subscribe. All the links are in the website. Feel free to click on any one of them. Also at the bottom of my website, you'll see I have a PayPal donation link attached. You can feel free to donate. It just helps with miscellaneous things I use to do all the videos I do. And you don't have to. This is what I do for a hobby. There's no obligation. It's entirely up to yourself, but it would be greatly appreciated if you did. Anything helps, whether it be $1 or $2 or 50 cents, I don't care. It doesn't really matter. I do it because it's my hobby, it's what I like to do, and I feel that some of you guys like to look at the videos that I make. And you can learn a thing or two sometimes. I am not a professional mechanic, I'm just a backyard mechanic, so don't do as I do because maybe what I do is not 100% correct. I do it for me and just give it to you guys for entertainment. But thanks in advance. Hope you enjoy all the content from Southside Boy Style, and I'll see you in there. Welcome everybody to the Southside Garage. Sorry. Take 2. Welcome everybody to Southside Style Boy. Welcome everybody to Southside. Okay, hold on. I want to do this differently. Oh my God, this is just messing up on me. And then the camera turns. Okay, this is the last and final take. I'm gonna do it this time. I'm gonna try this again, camera. I'm gonna try it. I said it was final take, but this is gonna be the final take, okay? Take 900, I don't know what it is right now. I'll just try it this way, okay? Outside Boy Style, take 9,768. Content for you to take it, okay? I had an itchy nose, that time was itchy nose, I had to scratch it. Let's get over that. Let's move on from the itchy nose. Southside Boy Style takes 5,007,362. I don't know. Link, I have a donation link. Okay, listen, take 10,972,476 and then we'll eat bread and that's the way we'll do this, okay? All right, let's go again. All this was because that stupid book keeps moving. I can't see it.